Did you know that you can completely change how Tor Browser is laid out? Whether you prefer traditional tabs across the top or modern vertical tabs on the side, Tor Browser gives you both options. You can also choose whether to display the sidebar for quick access to useful tools. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the browser layout in Tor Browser. Let's get started. First, open Tor Browser on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings. If you want to find the option faster, use the search bar at the top of the Settings page and type Layout. Otherwise, scroll until you reach the Browser Layout section. Here you'll find three main options. The first is Horizontal Tabs. This is the traditional browser layout where all of your tabs appear across the top of the window. It's familiar to most users and works well if you usually have only a handful of tabs open at once. The second option is Vertical Tabs. Instead of appearing across the top, your tabs are displayed in a sidebar on the left side of the browser. This layout is especially useful if you regularly work with many tabs, since you can read much more of each tab's title without them becoming too small. The last option is Show Sidebar. When enabled, the sidebar gives you quick access to features like your bookmarks and other built-in tools without taking you away from the page you're currently viewing. You can enable or disable it whenever you like. Feel free to try both layouts to see which one fits your browsing style best. You can always return to this menu and switch between them at any time. And that's it. You've successfully customized the browser layout in Tor Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Tor Browser tutorials, privacy guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.